Add an image and press the Q prompt button. It will generate stunning illusion images that are perfect for YouTube content, printing as wall pictures, advertising prints like billboards, and many other uses. The illusion workflow is ready. You can find it in the workflow list under the name illusion. There are 41 ready-to-use prompts that you can edit, add, or remove as needed. Simply set the number of prompts you want to use. Each row represents a separate prompt style. If you set the maximum row number to 4, it will use 4 prompt styles and generate 4 images, each with a different illusion. You can set the maximum row number to 41 to render all 41 illusions with just one click. I have rendered the first 4 prompts. Let's take a look at the images. To generate another version of the images, simply change the seed number in the K-sampler node. We will generate the first 4 prompts. Let's take a look at the 4 new versions of our images. To improve the quality of our images, we can enable the SDXL or Flux Refiner workflow groups. Enable the refiner and press the Q prompt button. It will add more details to our 4 images. Enable this refiner only after you're satisfied with the initial rendered images to save time. Now, I'll refine the images using the Flux GGUF workflow group. Enable it and start the process. I set the start index to 3. Now, it will generate 4 images in different styles. I like these 4 images, so now I will add more details using the SDXL refiner. Let's compare the first rendered images, which used Stable Diffusion 1.5, with the refined versions that have more details. Thank you for watching. See you in the next update.